one more here. Here. So rearrange. You have 10 tables. Drag one table. Go. Where is yours? Amma here. Meow here. Bhavan here. Bhavan here. Go up and come back. Whatever, you have to make some activity. Quick, hurry up. Stop. Sit down. Now part of blood. Which cell of blood?
RBCs.
Right. So RBC carries oxygen from lung to all parts.
Yes. And when
For that you need more heartbeat so that it can move. Got it? So that part is missing. So if you wish to, behind the worksheet you can write the details. You see? Okay. You want to add?
when the blood enters oxygenated blood, it required more when we are doing jogging or exercise. And not only this, the glycolysis process takes place, anaerobic respiration is there. Oxygen and this glucose which is present in a cell, which has been reacted to form 38 ATP plus carbon dioxide along with water vapors.
Well done.
And all it has been, during exhalation, the CO2 and water vapors are going out.
And my name is Ankit Dongre. I am from Sri Samartha Public School and Junior College. Right, we have done an activity in sitting still. I have got the record of 18 heartbeats in 15 seconds. So in a minute it is 72. Right. So as I was sitting, it was in resting position. That is why oxygen was needed in much quantity. But when after jogging, my heartbeat count was 25 for 15 seconds, and it increased from 72 to 100. As my muscles were working harder when I was jogging, that time oxygen was needed in more quantity. So basically, heart will also have to pump faster. So that is why the heartbeats increase in the second reading.
Right, great, Tanya. And paste it, and then there is a dot given, a black dot, where you have to use one concept to make a hole. There is the help of set. But I found to sew is difficult or to do it quickly, so I use the wire. Well done. Great. Now can you tell what this thread represents? Good. Well done. Right. Catch. And when this revolution moon's rotation, 1 month, we used to say lunar month. Now we know it's not exactly 1 month, lunar month. Okay? So we तो इसमें भी एक चीज है, अगर आप क्लास में बच्चे लोग को कुछ प्राइज दे रहे हैं, ऐसा दीजिए जो सबको दीजिए, नहीं तो कोई को नहीं तो जेलसी, अवॉइड टू क्रिएट समथिंग नेगेटिव. इतना देना. The only trick is it has to burn fully. The moment it happens,
and then this egg started to float.
why?
Because the density of the water is more than the density of the egg.
So when you start with Archimedes principle, you start with this. थोड़ा है, थोड़ी की जरूरत. ठीक है? अब हम बोल रहे हैं आप इसको हाफ फ्लोट कैसे करेंगे? how it is half floating? What you did?
I did a salt.
Okay.
We have to add the salt as much.
Uh-huh.
Put
So it will float on the top. How can you make it half float?
concentration of salt also.
No, not exactly. I'm coming to that. ज्यादा सोची मत. हम जो बीएड कर रहे थे, हमने बीएड टीचर ब्लॉकिंग दे. देखिए पिंक साथ साथ हो रहा है. पानी में आप
पार्ट कर रहा है.
I have attended a lot of scientific sessions, but the session usually means they show the presentation and PPT and video, and they don't usually do the hands-on practicals. And it was a really new experience. And you have shown us that the scientific teaching need not be expensive, with very simple things like cardboard, string, and very simple balloon and all. Lot of things that you can find at your house. You can create scientific experiments and you can perform and you can show your students and you can rejuvenate the the bland learning experience of the classroom teaching.
Sure.
So thank you sir for the.
Yeah.
Myself Roshan from Bharati School Murtazapur, and this today's program is very good for me and also I think for my colleagues teachers. I learn from many things from today's program. I learn learning based activities and how to enjoy school students in science subjects.
Myself Jyoti Sabini. First of all, I said from Guru Nanak Convent School. First of all, I salute to sir because here I saw his energy and how to engage. We know all of you and not getting bored throughout this session. Actually, I am mathematics teacher, but I learn more and simple way how to clear the concepts of students from simple way. Thank you, sir.
First of all, I would like to thank you, sir. And as you have started your workshop with the family, you have made new family. Like yes,
Yeah.
So I belong to a quack family, and myself, Ankit Dongre from Sri Samartha Public School and Junior College. Firstly, I want to thank you that you have came a long way and you have invested your time and want to ensure that this family will make sure that we will implement all the things which you have taught us in this workshop. Like hands-on activity and experimental activities can be held in classes also.
Yeah.
And you have also made one point, even though we are sitting 40-50 students for now, you have made sure that all the students are engaged. So involving each and every participant is also a good point which we will like to implement in classes also. Just want to thank you for everything what you have done. And also you have carried these many things for all of us. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Lot of involvement in this, lot of information, and then how we can bring in experiential learning for the students, and the energy with you, with which you have been doing it was really very amazing. You kept every minute was engaged, and then never felt as bored. And didn't know that when you said it's already 2 o'clock, now it's 2:30, I didn't know that it was so long the session was. It was very interesting. Thank you, sir, and thank you for organizing this. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.